Hello friends, welcome. Today we are going to discuss the solutions of part 1 summary test in Programming Essentials in Python. What is the output of the following piece of code? They have given a print function and a separator. If there is no separator, the output will be A, B, C. As they have given separator, the separator will also include in our output. So the answer will be A, SEP, B, SEP and C. Which of the following sentences is true? Nums is equals to, they have given the list and they have assigned the same list to and the list vals. So whatever changes that occur in nums or vals that occur to nums. So nums and vals are different names of same list. Take a look at the snippet and choose the true statement. So again they have given a list and assigned it to the nums. And now they assign nums to vals and they did an operation, delete operation on vals. So the elements in the vals will be deleted. So whatever the operations done on vals, it will also affect nums. So the output is, the answer will be nums and vals are different names of the same list. So if we print nums and vals, we will get an empty list because we deleted all the elements in vals. So all the elements in nums will also get deleted. How many stars will the following snippet send to the console? So they have initialized the I with the 0 and they have given the while loop. Now they put the condition that I is less than I plus 2. So whatever the value of I, always I will be less than I plus 2. So it will execute infinite times. The snippet will enter a infinite loop printing 1 star per line. What is the output of the following snippet? So they have given a function and they want us fun of 2. So first let's calculate fun of 2. So now it will enter into the function and x will get the value of 2. X is equals to 2. Now if 2 mod 2 is equals to 0, so it is correct statement. So it will return the value of 1. Hence fun of 2 is equals to 1. Now we want fun of 1. Because fun of 2 is 1, now we will left with fun of 1. Again it will enter into the function and if 1 mod 2 is equals to 0, it is false because 1 mod 2 is 1. Else it will return 2. So answer will be 2. What is the output of the following snippet? They have given a dictionary and for x in dd.vals. So we can observe clearly that it is not values, it is vals. So the code is erroneous. The dict object has no vals method. What is the output of following piece of code? If the user enters, the user enters 2 lines containing 3 and 2 respectively. So x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2. Now they have did the operation x equals to x mod y. It is equals to 3 mod 2, which is 1. Now again x is equals to x mod 1. Means x means 1 mod y means 2, which is 1. Now y is equals to y mod x, which is y means 2 mod x means 1, which is 0. So they have asked to print y, which is 0. Assuming that the tuple is a correctly created tuple, the fact that tuples are immutable means that the following instruction, they have given tuple of 1 is equals to tuple of 1 plus tuple of 2. We should not use the variable name as tuple because it is a keyword. So it is illegal. Now they asked what will be assigned to x. So x is equals to 1. Z is equals to 0 and y is equal to 10. X is equals to y less than z. It means y means 10 less than z and z greater than y. Z means 0 greater than y means 10 or y greater than z. Y means 10 greater than z means 0. And z is less than y. Z means 0 is less than y means 10. So let us see how it will execute. In Python, the AND operator will have more priority than OR operator. So first all the statements with AND will be executed. Lastly, it will execute with OR. So first n is less than 0. It is false. And 0 is greater than 10. It is also false. Or 10 is greater than 0. It is correct. And 0 is less than 10. It is also correct. So first it will execute with AND. So false and false become false, or next AND. True and true will become true. Now it will execute with OR. False or true will become true. So the output will be true. Next, they have given a list with value 1, 2. And for v in the range of 2, list.insert -1, list of v. So suppose v is equals to, now v is equals to 0. So we have to do this operation. List.insert of -1, list of v means list of 0. So list of 0 is 1. So we have to insert list of 0 at -1 position. Here -1 means this one. So now list becomes 1, here -1 means this one. So it will assign it to this value 1, and the next value will be moved afterwards 1, 2. Next, the loop will not end because the range is up to 2. Now v is equals to 1. Now list.insert of -1, list of 1 means 0. This is 0 and this is 1. So we have to insert 1 at -1 position. Here this is -1. Now list will be first one 1, and in this -1 position 1 will be inserted and 2 will be moved after. So the final result is list will contain 1, 1, 2. So we have to print them. One of the following variable names is illegal. Which one? We have to find the illegal variable. In, it is correct. In, it is correct. This in will be false, illegal, because it is a keyword. A keyword must not be used as a variable name. Let's do this. So what is the output of the following piece of code if user enters 2 lines containing 2 and 4 respectively? So x will be 2 and y will be 4. So they have asked us print ** 1 by x means 2 and y means 4. It is nothing but square root of 4, which will be 2.0. 2.0 because x and y are float values. Now x is equals to 1 by integer division plus 1 normal division with 5. As it is integer division, the output will be always an integer. 1 by 5 actually means 0.2, but we have to round it up. So 0 plus 1 by 5 means 0.2. It gives a result of 0.2. Oh, What is the output of following piece of code if the user enters two lines containing 3 and 6 respectively? So y is equals to 3 and x is equals to 6. If now y is equals to input, x equals to input, and print x plus y. Now y and x are strings because they normally when we take the input, it is a string input. So if we want the int, we will keep as int of input. So given both are strings, now we have to print x plus y. Here x is 6 and y is 3. They both will be concatenated. So 63 will be the answer. An operator able to check whether two values are not equal is coded as not equal. How many elements then does the list contain? List is equals to I for I in the range of -1, 2. Here they have given -1 and next -2. So I will explain with the example. So let us consider if list is 1, 1, 1. Now -1 means this one and -2 means this one. So here they have given in backward direction. It is moving in backward direction. So it is not possible. We have only to move in frontward direction. It means right side we have to move. Left side we can't move. So there will be no elements. Sorry. Now they have given a dictionary and V is equal to DCT of 3. So from the dictionary we can say that the width of 3 means 1. So V will be 1. Now they have given a for loop. First let us take k is equals to 0. Now V equals to DCT of V means 1. DCT of 1 means is 2. Now k is equals to 1. V is equals to DCT of, now V becomes 2 because here we can see it is 2. DCT of 2 means it is 3. Now k is equals to 2. V is equals to DCT of, now the value of V will be changed to 3. DCT of 3 means 1. So the final output will be 1. The result of the following division 1/2, it is the integer division. So we will get the answer as 0. So they have given a tuple and first tuple is equals to tup of -2 is to -1. So let me write the tuple also. So -2 to -1 means this is minus second position from the last and this is first position. Now tuple will contain 4, 8. And next operation is tuple is equals to tuple of -1. It means okay, it is up to -1, so it will be only 4. And tuple of -1 means 4. We have to print the tuple which is 4. The following snippet. So they have given the function and the print function of b is equals to 2 and 2. So it will take b is equals to 2 and this 2 will also come to here b and a will not get any value. So it is erroneous. Now they have given a list x into x for x in the range of 5. Now list will become first x is equals to 0. 0 into 0. So 0. Next x will become 1. 1 square is 1. Next 2 square. 4. Next 3 square 9. So list is 0, 1, 4, 9. Now they have did print of function of list. They call the function. Now they deleted list of 2. Here list of 2 means 0, 1, 2. So 4. Now list of 4 means this is all delete operation. 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is in the range of 5. So up to 4 it is possible. So 4 squares is 16. So list of 4, it deletes list of 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will delete the element 16. And now list will be 0, 1, 4, 9. 0, 1, 4, 9. Now the following snippet, print function 2 of 2. It means it will return function 1 of 2 into function 1 of 2. As function 1 is none, it will cause a runtime error. Now they have given a is equals to 1, b is equal to 0. A is equals to a XOR b. It means 1 XOR 0. That is equals to 1. 1 XOR 0 is 1. Now b is equals to a XOR b. Now a is 1 XOR b is 0, which is 1. Now a is equals to a XOR b. Here a means 1 XOR 1. So XOR with the same number will become 0. So a is equal to 0 and b is equals to 1 is the final output. What is the output of following piece of code? X is equals to 1, y is equals to 2. So first they have given x comma y comma z is equals to x comma x comma x comma x comma y. So x will be 1, y is x here. So y will be 1 and z is y. Y means 2. Now second operation. Z comma y comma z is equals to x comma y comma z. Now z is equals to x. X means 1. Y is equal to y. So 1. Z is equal to z. So same. These two. 1 comma 1 comma 2. They have given a dictionary and they put the values in P1 as 1 comma 2 and DCT of 2 as 2 comma 1. Now they are iterating in keys. Keys means this one and this one. These are keys and these are values. So first x is equals to 0. So they are asking to print DCT of x means 0 and 1. So DCT of 0 and 1 means this is 0 0 and this is 0 1. So it is 2. And next x will become 1. So we have to print DCT of 1 and 1. So this is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, which is 2. So we have to print this 2 1 without separating because end is empty space. So 2 1. The meaning of a positional argument is determined by its position within the argument list. Now they asked to print function of 0 comma 3. And the function states like this. If x equals to y, we have to return x, else we have to return function of x comma y minus 1. Now 0 is not equals to 3. So it will return function of 0, 3 minus 1, which is 2. Now again 0 is not equals to 2. So it will return 0, 1. 0 is not equals to 1. So it will return 0, 0. Now 0 is equals to 0. So it will return 0. So answer will be 0. Which of the following lines incorrectly invokes the function defined as def of functions a, b, c is equals to 0? Here they call the function with only single parameter. So it is false. And this is also false. But we can select any option. So I am selecting that one. Now they have given a list, a two-dimensional array. So let us see how this works. First, y is equals to 0. Now it will contain another loop. X is equals to 0. So for x equal to 0 and y is equals to 0, the value will be 0 because x in range of 3. Now x is equals to 1, the value will be 1. Now x equals to 2, the value will be 2. Next, y will become 1. Now again x is equals to 0, the value will be 0 because they are assigning only x. Now x is equals to 1. X equal to 2, it will be 2. Now y will be 2. So if y is equals to 2, now x equals to 0 again. So 0, x equals to 1 is 1, x equals to 2, it is 2. So finally, the array will look like 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. This is the two-dimensional array they have given as LST. Now for R in the range of 3 and for C in the range of 3, if LST of R C mod 2 not equals to 0, we have to print hash. So they are asking for odd numbers. We have only 3 odd numbers, 1, 1, 1. So 3 hashes will be printed as output. What is the output of the following snippets? If of input equals to 2 and output equals to 3, they have print fun of out equals to 2. Now they have made the out value as 2. So return input into output. 2 into 2 will become 4. So let's submit. So hopefully we got 100%. Thank you for watching, guys.